In this video, I'm going to show you how you can locally install MetaMath Mistral on Windows. MetaMath is a fine-tuned language model that specializes in mathematical reasoning. The researchers of this model have bootstrapped mathematical questions by rewriting the questions from multiple perspectives. And that is where they have generated this new data set, which is called as MetaMath QA. They have fine-tuned the Llama 2 models and on MetaMath QA on few of the popular benchmarks like GSM 8K and Math, which are quite popular for mathematical reasoning. They have demonstrated that the MetaMath has outperformed all open source LLMs by a significant margin. For instance, their MetaMath 7 billion model has achieved 66.5% on GSM 8K and more than 19% on Math. The accuracy of this MetaMath 70 billion is at par excellence with any other model. Now, I will drop the link to this project page of this model, and you can read through a lot of other things such as their benchmarking and how to use some of the prompts like these, and then you can try it on your own. But let me show you how you can install it locally. For this video, I'll be using this Block's quantized version, which is 70 billion, 7 billion, and the file size is around 29 gig. I'll be using LM Studio, and if you don't know what LM Studio is and how to install it, I have a separate video where I show exactly how to do that. This is the LM Studio, which I already have downloaded and installed. In order to download and run MetaMath Mistral 1, all you need to do is to go to these three dots. Sorry, not to these three dots, but just on the search button and then search for MetaMath. Once you search it, you will see that this is the GGUF version. On the right hand side, it tells you that it requires 30 GB of RAM, so make sure you have it, and of course you should have GPU installed. I'll go with the smallest one, but if you have ample time and ample resources, you should be going with Q5. But I'll go with Q2, which has the least accuracy and extreme loss of quality. But I just want to show you how to install it and run it. So still it is 30 gig. So let's click on download, and you can see that it has started downloading on the bottom section of the screen. It is around 29 gig, quite a huge, and my download speed is not really ideal. So let's wait for it to finish. The model download is almost done. So previously I was trying to install the 70 billion one that crashed because of the low specs of my system. So what I did, I went with the 7 billion, which you can see also available on this LM Studio, thankfully, and the size is around just over 4 gig. It has downloaded very quickly. It's done. Now click on these three dots in LM Studio. Then in the middle, select a model to load, and it says no model to load. So that is fine. It takes a bit of a time. Maybe we'll restart this LM Studio. So just close it, click on this icon again, and that is going to start it. Again, click on three dots, select a model to load. Now the model is there. Click here, and it is loading. And while it loads, you can see the RAM usage and CPU on the top left. That's good. It is loaded. Now we can chat with it. Just drag it down, and then you will see the text box for the prompting. Now let's ask it one of the maths question, and don't expect too much accuracy because it's a quantized version. I'll just say James buy a 5 pack of beef that are £4 each. So he buys a total of 5 into 4, 20 pounds of beef. The price of beef is $5.50 per pound. How much James has paid? Let's ask if press enter. Let's see. The correct answer is $110 by the way. So let's see if the model is able to deduce that. It is processing. Let's wait for it to come back. So now not only it is giving you the hopefully the correct answer in number, but also he is telling you or it is telling you the reasoning. There you go. So you can see that how cool is that? It is a quantized version. The answer is 110. So this is amazing stuff. So let's ask it another in another way. I am so same question. I'm saying James buys X packs of beef that are 4 pounds each. The price of beef is $5.50 per pound, and he has paid $110. What is the value of unknown variable X? And we already know that it is 5 from our previous question. So let's see here. It is processing it. So let's see. Just wait for it to come back. And this is what I love about this model, that not only it is giving us the answer, but it is also giving us the reasoning around it. So there you go. Total cost, and it is giving you the formula. And how cool is that? I mean, this is solving the whole stuff for us easily. So you can even learn maths from it on in real time. And now it is simplifying it, and then all the isolation steps, where it is just like a human is thinking loudly and a human who is expert in maths. So there you go. It has deduced the correct value, and that is 5. I mean, how cool is that? Maybe scary too, but amazing stuff. Now, sort of a foobar question. Let me show you this. Yeah, sorry. Mm, Okay. Now, what we are asking is, I think it is, let me copy it again. And I'm copying this from their GitHub repo, which I just showed you. Okay. Now, we are saying is that James buys X pack of beef that are 4 pound each. The price of beef is $5.50 per pound. How much did he pay? First, if we know the answer to the above question is 110, what is the value of unknown variable X? So this is a foo-bar question. Foobar question is a term made popular by Google, where they use it to recruit people with different sort of complexity levels of questions. So I have given it a Foobar question, as you can see on your screen. So let's see how does he do. So let's wait for it to come back. So and now it is printing out the whole reasoning for you. That to it is just going step by step, that to find out how much James paid for the beef, we can multiply this and that, all the numbers. And now first it is calculating the total cost of beef. There you go. And then now he that is good. And now it is setting up the equation as per the above data. So even if the information is not complete, it is able to first get that information what it needs, and then it goes from there. How cool is that? So let's wait for it to complete. I'm more than sure, I have full trust in it that it is going to complete it. Amazing. So you can see that it has correctly deduced the value of x, which is 5. Awesome stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope that you are as impressed as I am, and maybe a bit scary too, that this is just simply out of this world. They also have code for this model on their GitHub repo. Let me quickly go there and show you. So this is a code where you can um, check all this stuff and run it on locally, as I have done. You can even run it on Linux. I have another video which shows you how to do it on Linux, and then you can check the data set. And also, if you are interested in reading the whole paper, you can read the abstract here, and then on the right hand side you can download the whole PDF. And really hats off to all of these researchers who have done a fabulous job on this one. That's it, guys. If you have any thoughts or comments, please put them down below the video, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.